set. Like, make 2 marks. What's congruent? Just one set, though. Okay. What did you think, Joy?
I said B, C, A, D, A, B, and C, D.
Okay, and why did we mark that? Bree?
Because
How'd you know?
it's given.
It is given.
Excellent. So that needs to be your first sentence.
I want a harder one. You want a harder one?
Good. So now make another set of marks. What else do we know? You actually had both exact same thing second too. So why did you mark that, Joy?
Because it says D is the midpoint of AC,
So
their segments will be congruent to each other.
excellent. So what you just said in words, I want you to write down in a sentence. Instead of saying the segments, name the segments though. Kayla, did you get it figured out? Good. Now, when I gave you, what did I give you though that made you think AD is congruent to BC?
You said D is the midpoint of AC.
Right. So I gave you this. I didn't give you AD is congruent to DC. So we need to fix.
So it's a postulate, not a postulate, but isn't it definition of midpoint or something?
That's what it means. But listen to how Joy said hers. Read it, Joy.
I said segment AD is congruent to segment CD because D is the midpoint, so the segments AD and CD will be congruent.
Yeah, so she just explained it. You can explain it like that too. Yes. And then, Daniel, once you guys are finished with that, you can go on to number 1 of 2.6. Okay. So, Joy, why did you put it in this order? AD is congruent to CD.
Because D is congruent to itself, and then A, B, and C are.
That's okay, you're doing a good job. So Joy changed the order. She says AD is congruent to CD. Do you know why she did that?
Oh, yes, because since D is congruent to itself and the angles have to meet at the end.
Okay. So I think the word you guys are looking for is corresponding.
Yeah, that.
A is corresponding to C. Good. Next, marks. What should we mark? What do we know for sure? Not what we want to be true. What do we know for sure? We did that pretty quick. And now write your sentence down about why you did it. Corinne's group. Are you guys finished with the proofs? Okay, once you guys are finished, you can go on to number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this goes for the whole class. You guys are working awesome today. Really nice job. I've heard some of your conversations and they are excellent. Once you are finished with doing the harder proofs at the bottom, after you finish the harder ones down here, I want you to go to number 1 of 2.6. If you did not do the harder ones on the bottom, do not go to number 1 of 1.6 or 2.6. Make sure you do these down here first. Okay. You guys can continue.
You mean 2.7?
No, 2.6. Okay. All right. So, that's a beautiful job. So, Joy, why did you mark that one?
Because this is the segment. It's like because congruent to itself.
Good. And what property tells us that again?
A reflexive.
Absolutely. Good. So now what can we say at the bottom? What's next? What do you notice?
BAD. Wait. On the
What do we notice? Look at your diagrams now.
that all the lines is SSS.
Okay, but what does that SSS mean?
Side, side, side.
Okay. What does the SSS help us do?
Prove that it's
That what's congruent?
The triangles.
What triangles?
these two.
Triangle BAD and
Yeah.
triangle BCD.
Excellent. So I need you guys to write that out in a sentence next. Very good. I want you guys to do paragraph. So show me where you did the harder. Good.